If the boiler pressure is down, how to fix it instantly. Let's check this video. If you have a combo boiler and the radiators as shown in this picture, and if the boiler is off, and if you see some code because of the broken down or low pressure, don't get panic. We can fix that instantly. Mostly it works in most of the times, but there could be some of the problems where you need to call an engineer. So let's check it out. If you look at underneath the boiler, so this is ideal logic boiler, most of the combo boilers these days. And if you see the code F1, you would notice that the pressure in the pressure bar has dropped to 0. So these are various controllers, so you don't need to be a technician to understand these. The code would be F1, which is a fault 1, and the pressure is 0. So therefore the boiler is switched off. You can see two valves, blue color. Those are called filling loops. Switch off the first one and switch on the second one, which will fill up the pressure. So you can see the boiler turns from F1 to D, and it starts the ignition as soon as you try to fill up the loop. So usually the PSI bar, we should fill up just under 30 PSI, which is about 1.5 bars. So it should be just enough. It shouldn't overfill it. So just wait till the filling loop fills up the pressure. So it reaches up to less than 30 PSI. And once you switch on your tap, you should see the hot water. So you can do it this simple step without calling an engineer. So now you can see the boiler working within no time. So make sure your pressure is always up and running, and this should be enough to make the boiler running with the hot water and the heating in the house. Hope you like this small hack. Ideally, the combo boiler should maintain the pressure, but if there's any leakages or if there's any bubbles in your radiators, the pressure drops, and this happens a lot if you're having bubbles in the radiators. So it's always good to check your radiators and make sure you keep this trick in hand. Usually this is what happens in my house. I usually try this few times. Make sure you switch the walls back as they were. Hope this is useful. Please do subscribe.